I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back to show you all some maintenance on my mom's locks. In this video, I'll be moisturizing her locks, crocheting loose hairs neighboring her locks, and curling her locks. So stay tuned for the process. So my mom's hair is freshly washed and has been towel dried. So it's the perfect time to mist with a leave-in conditioner oil spray. Here I have Locs conditioning oil. It's a lightweight organic rose water blend designed to replenish and activate dry locks. I really like this spray as a moisture refresher. It has a pleasant floral scent and it's residue free. It comes in a 4-ounce bottle, so that's perfect for on the go. See, it fits right into my little purse. Back to Mama's locks. She tends to get a lot of loose hairs due to her texture, so I'll be using a crochet needle to bring those hairs into the lock. Crochet needles are available on my shop, by the way, but basically the needle has a tiny hook on it which grabs onto the loose hair for you to pull through the lock. The crochet hooks available on my shop are 0.5 millimeters. So they can be a bit difficult to grab the hairs because they're so small. However, larger sizes are more likely to cause damage to your lock. So just be patient with the small needle. Essentially, you're poking holes through your lock. So you want to use the smallest needle possible to cause the least amount of damage. Once I finish crocheting, I then put perm rods into her hair. I have a video dedicated to curling my mom's locks, so definitely check that one out too. I use the Locs conditioner oil one last time before she dries her hair because it's water-based, so it'll help to re-dampen her hair before she goes under the dryer so that it sets. You know, it's vital to curl your hair while it's dampened so that you get defined curls. Now, in my mom's case, she was uncomfortable, so she took the rollers out a bit early, and I didn't get to see her hair for about 2 days. So these are the results of her hair after not fully drying completely and after it being 2 days old. So you can see her waves and curls. It's still very beautiful, fully groomed and fully moisturized. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you, Locs, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and share. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.